Question number 21. A quantity P varies partly as a square of m and partly as n. When P is equals to 3.8, m is equals to 2, and n is equals to minus 3. When P is equals to minus 0.2, m is equals to 3, n is equals to 2. Part A, find the equation that connects P, m, and n, and you get 4 marks. So, to interpret this statement, quantity P varies partly as a square of m, we say P is equals to, we can use A as a constant, m squared. Then we have plus, we use B, n. So that is the statement. So what we do, we replace the values of P, m, and n. So we'll say when m is 2, so that means it is 4 is plus, that is n is minus 3, so we have minus 3, b is equals to P is 3.8. Alright, we come to this other one. When m is 3, so we square, so we say it is 3 squared is 9a. Then we have plus, n is 2, so we multiply 2 multiplied by b is equals to, the value of P is minus 0.2. So these are simultaneous equations which we can solve using either substitution or elimination method, but the best method is elimination. So we eliminate B by multiplying here by 2 and we multiply here by 3, so that we have 6 here. So this will give us 8a, let's write here 8a, we multiply minus 6b is equals to 7.6, and when you multiply the other one, you get 9 times 3 is 27a plus 6b is equals to minus 0.6. So we can eliminate b by adding, so that because this is minus and this is plus, so when you add, you get this is 35a is equals to, you minus 7.6 plus minus 0.6 will give you 7. So a is equals to 35, not 35 but 7 over 35, which is 1 over 5, which is the same as 0.2. So if a is 0.2, then how do we find b? We substitute b in one of our equations. So we say we take 4a, so we take 4 multiplied by 0.2 minus 3b is equals to 3.8. So we have substituted in that equation, and when you simplify that, you will be able to get we will take 3b to one side, so we have 3b is equals to, take this to the other side, so that will be minus 8 minus 0.8 minus that will be minus 3.8, and we have 3b is equals to that will give you minus this will give you, when you add that, you get so this is not minus but a plus here, because we are multiplying 4 times minus 2, so this will give us 3 minus 3. You divide both sides by 3, you get b is equals to minus 1, implying that the equation that connects P, m, and n is P is equals to 0.2 m squared minus n. So that is a formula connecting p, m, and n. So the other one, the value of p when m is equals to 10 and n is equals to 4. So you just substitute the values of m and p in our equation. So we say this is part B, Roman number 2. We say p is equals to 0.2 multiplied by 10 squared. Then this is minus n is 4. So this is it. This is equals to, this is 100 multiplied by 0.2 is 20 minus 4, which will give you 16. So p is equals to 16. We look at part B. Express p in terms of express m in terms of p and m. That is, you make m the subject. So from here we have let's say we say m is equals to, we take n to the other side, it becomes p plus n becomes positive once it crosses the equal sign. We divide by 0.2, so we are left with m squared, and we get the square root for both sides. So m is equals to the square root of p plus n all over divided by 0.2. And finally we have part C, which we can say part C, if p and n are increased by 10%, find the percentage increase in m correct to 2 decimal places. So we can say our new m is equals to the square root. P is increased by 10%, so the p will be 1.1 of p, that is plus 1.1 of n, and this is divided by 0.2, where we can factor n the square root of 1.1, and that is p plus n over 0.2. So here you note that now this is our old m, which we can put here. That color is not very visible. So if we get our new m is equals to, we get the square root of 1.1. So our new m is 1.0488 of the old m, because this is the old m. This is the old m. So this is our new m is equals to, we can say this is to 2 decimal places, 1.05 of old m, meaning that the m was increased by percentage increase. Increase is 5%. So that's how you get the increase in m, and you get your 10 marks. So the following, I'll show you diagrams of how the marks are awarded in this question. So for part A, you get one mark, bonus mark, that for expressing the statement of P. Then you get another mark for solving, that is working out, substituting, and you get another mark for getting, here they have used K1 and K2, but I used A and B, so you get a mark for that. You get a bonus point for expressing the P in terms of the constants that you have worked out, and finally the bonus point when you get 16. That is, you substitute 10 and 4, you get 16. So the other part, so here you get 1 mark for the method. You get 1 mark for the method, and one mark for expressing m in terms of p and m. Then when you write the statement, the increase in percentage, you get 1 mark for the method. Once you substitute that and you get how you get the percentage, you get another mark, and finally you get a mark by getting the answer totaling to 10. Our answer, we have obtained 5% because I applied 2 decimal places when I was getting the square root of 11, which I still believe is correct to do that.